In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change AI language in Perplexity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so the AI replies in the language you prefer every time. First, open your web browser and head to Perplexity AI site. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. This setting controls the language Perplexity uses when it responds to you, so it's perfect if you want replies in your native language or if you're practicing a new one. Once the site loads, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small profile icon. Think of it as your account hub. Click that icon to open your account menu. If your window is very small, you may need to expand the sidebar or maximize your browser to see it clearly, but it should always live in that lower left area. From the menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where Perplexity keeps the core options that customize your experience. Preferences is the place you return to whenever you want to tweak how the AI behaves, including interface options and, of course, language. Inside Preferences, locate the section labeled Preferred Response Language. This label is important. It specifically refers to the language Perplexity will use when generating its answers. You're not changing the site's interface language here. You're setting the default language for the AI's replies to your prompts. Now, choose a language for AI at the left side. You'll see a list or selector with available languages. Click the one you want, and Perplexity will apply it to future responses. Many settings on this page save automatically, so you typically won't need to press a separate save button. If the interface provides a confirmation or check mark, that's your cue that it's set. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If the language you want isn't visible at first glance, scroll through the list or search within the selector if a search field is available. If the page looks different from what I'm describing, you might be on a slightly updated layout. The wording preferred response language is your anchor. It's the correct section to use. And remember, this choice isn't permanent. You can return to preferences anytime and switch languages as your needs change. That's all there is to it. Open Perplexity, click the profile icon at the bottom left, go to Preferences, find Preferred Response Language, and choose the language you want on the left. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting with Perplexity in the language that works best for you.